you got a Ferrari Portofino. Okay. Oh my god, the GoPro stuck. And you got a Huracan right there. Stock E63. It still moves though. A neon yellow Mercedes CLA 250. Audi R8 revving at the light. Oh, he's popping the. Oh, it's not even. Yeah, it is an R8. Didn't look like it for a sec, but he's trying to maybe pull up on the people, on the girls and shit. Let's see. I'm fucking dead. What was the point of that? He might have fucked up. He probably left the part of the parking garage that he wasn't trying to. Had to pop a U-turn and go back in. Fucking the one-way part to this garage is ass. You know, got some good cars out here. This shit's super clean. It's a nice fucking Supra. Boy, fast. But yeah, this is a single turbo F80. This is probably the fastest S55 in Miami. Oh, we got another one. And there's a brand new M2 right there. A brand new M2 is so fucking nice. Buckets though. Ugh, he doesn't have the buckets. It's a must, but the red and blue, it's a nice touch. Alright, we got the enemy and then this man towing the K-truck.
So where's the sail on this boat, sir?
We got a few people out here. Ooh. That's a really nice matte champagne color. Yeah, leaving Orlando from BMW Invasion. Fucking pouring. Just saw a G80 go up that way. Mad Beamers lurking around this neighborhood. Had an individual Riviera Blue G82 in the neighborhood actually. Oh shit, hey, there you go. Later, my friend.
You want to get the filters on? Oh, fuck
So,
yeah,
fucking
you're...
this shit was rubbing, so we had to pull over at a 7-Eleven. And, yeah. This rain is very depressing. We have a 3-hour drive back to Miami. So let's get it. On the way back to Miami. Still spotted. Black Panther, Dodge Charger, and we out. We had an old Triumph out here. There's a girl in the back. My bad, I was shaking. It's like a fucking Porsche Cayenne Safari build. And you got that guy from yesterday. Rolls Royce convertible, old S-Class, okay. Driving around the Benz truck for a little bit. Got an I-8 Roadster out here. And I don't know what the fuck is going on the bridge, but there's some shit. I don't know. Bunch of cops outside tonight. End of the month. At the Fountainblue, they kind of just have this garage open. Yo, it's being wedged open by a fucking brisk can. But look at this Tesla. What the fuck? Here at the Fountainblue, there's a bunch of fucking supercars here. It's all for a rally to race. There's a bunch of cars here and at Nobu. I'll do a quick little walk around. SVJ is beautiful. I love blue colors. And this dark blue reminds me of a few midnight blues. This is beautiful. And then randomly parked up in the valet, you have a Ram truck, but this beautiful Dawn. Oof. Pinstriping is really nice. Love the blue. You got a TRX parked up. Like the decals. Some more cars here. Parked up at the Eden Rock for the rally to race. Rally, I guess. Oh my god, it's fucking cold out here. Damn, Miami. What the fuck? It's a really nice color. Fucking GT3. The fuck? Bro, run my ass over. What the fuck? You got a ZL1 parked up in front of all these guys, but nice lineup of cars between the Eden Rock and Fountainblue. Would be a sick rally to be on. Sadly, I am not. Love the 600 LT. Yo, cops are outside tonight, huh? Uno, dos, tres. Yeah. Brand new 760. Man's opening his door for his for his fucking bitch. Feel like God, and I live like that.
I got more. That's literally cap. That's actual cap. Look, for the cap. This is last one. It's a cap. You see what I did there? I beat you, I get to keep both your hats. You better throw it. Want a picture next to it?
Blue Cephas. Oh shit! And you got a Aston Martin Vantage right here, brand new with a dealer plate. Oh look, 4x4. Yeah, Brabus.
That's a really expensive.
You can't even see how fucking big this is. Oh my bad, I think I got you in that shit. I got you, you're in that shit.
Damn, little fucker, man, you know that.
You got crime scene unit here at the fucking Shell gas station. The whole fucking gas station's caution. Oh, you got Channel 4 News here? And there's just a Beamer by its lonesome there at the pump. Low key, I think that was a possible shootout or something. Somebody might have got killed. RIP if they did. Oh shit, there was a fucking M6 on the right hand side. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna have to come back one day and check that out. But yeah, there was a white 6 Series. Couldn't tell if it was an M6, it looked like it. If it wasn't an M6, then it was a 650, but... Damn. Miami is fucking GTA server, I swear. I don't know if you guys can read the sign that's on the back of this fucking truck, but it says, "Let go, let God." Yo, Jesus, take the wheel. Look, ma, no hands. Cruise ship coming into port. Oasis of the seas. Shit's huge. He's trying to park up Holy, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cruise ships. That's crazy. 5 cruise ships stocked up? Alright, what the fuck is going on here?